Welcome to all of you. Most welcome to my YouTube channel MLM Promotions. When you have new, then subscribe my channel. Then you will always receive new MLM and pre-launching plans. Then I have get new MLM plans. It is a best opportunity. All of us, you welcome to SafeTron. Name of the plans SafeTron. SafeTron is coming soon on 21st January 2020. Most welcome to all top leaders. You will join with my referral link, early link I will provide here on WhatsApp group and my description links. You will join and earn more and more. We have discussion about review of the SafeTron. SafeTron is a good opportunity working and non-working. We will see this plan, vision and mission. SafeTron to connect people around the world with one another and empower of the life of millions individual by the providing financial help. Everyone deserve a better life and they should have to now, and SafeTron is here ensure it with the unique bionical medical program. Friends, we will discuss about the SafeTron. SafeTron is a transferee 100% transferee and 100% decentralized platform opportunity. SafeTron is a digital platform which provide you spread superb opportunity for bright future with the guidance of the dedicated team and committed professional having best experience in network marketing. How to advantage of the SafeTron? This is a completely decentralized smart contract work. There is no admin and 100% verified smart contract in listed on the Tron blockchain. The algorithm inside in the blockchain cryptocurrency. SafeTron, the system follow principle of 2 by 8 biological matrix, and secondly the entire one place from top to bottom, left to right, a sequence manner is multiple of 2. There is a just 7 level structure and have minimum achieved from this structure we have for the first time on the world. This is a ensure that each and every community member deserve a maximum potential of the ensure structure and get maximum earning. Friends, how to get here joining? Here joining amount is a 350 TRX, 350 TRX, and direct income 300 TRX, and second income magic pool income 50 TRX. Get every people who have income not get in 1000 TRX. Magic pool income is a very big and good opportunity. Level upgradation income, matrix income. Yes friends, we have now about magic pool income. The number of IDs that we will activate in the all community in 24 hours will go to 50 TRX in magic pool income, and next day will be automatically equally divided in on new ID who is get income on 1000. Noted, most important noted, the ID at which the 1000 TRX income get in any way will be out of the ID's magic pool income. This is some difference on SafeTron. Joining amount 350 TRX business plan. First package when you will joining 350 TRX, then suppose you will go get package 3 TRX, 300 TRX, two people come in your team, then you will turn over 600 TRX and upgradation 450 and you will get income 150. After 450 to 4 people come in your downline, then your turnover is 1800, 1800. Then upgradation is 1200 and your income get 600. Then your sponsor income is 20% 360 and your upline is got 80% income. Then you will here 7 level incomes, then you will earn $1 million, million TRX. Then globally community, when you will upgrade your first level, second level and third level 1200 TRX. After you will got here globally metrics button in your dashboard, upgradation 2000, then all or entire globally, all world to globally. After the your metrics button is click, after the 3 people is come in your downline and you will turn over 6000 TRX. After upgradation income 4000 TRX and you will get income 2000 TRX. After 4000 TRX automatically upgradation and 9 people come in your downline and you will get 36,000 TRX. It is your smart metrics income. Yeah, it means you will give income 38,000 TRX. After the second globally community, your next upgradation level 10,000, then you will get 3 people and after turnover 30,000, 30,000 and 20,000 is upgradation and you will income get 10,000, 20,000 upgradation, then you will 9 will get income in 1,80,000. It means your income is get 1,90,000 TRX. Next gold matrix, then you will get income 4,75,000. Next level royal matrix, and after the royal matrix you will click an amount, you will show there the magic how to sponsor and get income. You will get 300 TRX direct sponsor income. You will per sponsor, it means you is here and you will get 2 people A and B, then you will get income 6,600 TRX. You get 80% of the 450 TRX from your second level. 4 people come your downline, then you will get 450 TRX each direct. You will you here and second level A and B 450 450 450 450 1440 TRX you will get incomes. Next level third level you will get 80% of the 1200 TRX from your third levels, then you will get income 7,680 TRX. It is a good opportunity. You will show here the magical pool, then you will income is most people and you will want to early link, then you will join with my team. Thanks friends, 7 level and most of income. Thank you.